is Omakaseed. It is a vegan restaurant located in New York City, and how you get there is by going to this spot. The entrance is going to be a little bit weird. It's a hotel entrance, but you enter through here, you go all the way up to the top, and that is where you will find Omakaseed. The vibes are so amazing. I apologize for the dark content, but that is the lighting that was given. So yes, the food was absolutely amazing. 10 out of 10. It was definitely interesting trying new things. I listed the menu. You can go back, reread the menu, but I had an amazing experience.
Enjoy.
It was really good, a great experience. Having the chef directly in front of you preparing the food and bringing it to your plate was such an amazing experience.
That watermelon sushi roll. Sushi I've ever eaten in my life.
That was really, really
Dehydrated watermelon.
insane.
That was so good.
Kimchi, similar to okonomiyaki, a bit spicier.
Oh,
Kimchi,
And potato chip for a crunch.
I 100% definitely recommend you try this
enjoy this
restaurant.
watermelon, roasted watermelon, okay, with shiokoji marinade.
If you're ever in New York City, please try out Omakaseed. You will not regret it.
That's good. That one tasted like watermelon. The other one didn't.
Yep.
Fairy tale eggplant.
Thank you.
Fairy tale eggplant.
Is it warm?
Fried onions on top.
It is warm.
It's hot.
I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
'Cause